Hello students, now we are starting your first flight books poem number 2. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice and is written by Robert Frost. Frost's poem Fire and Ice expresses the profound idea that the world would end in either of two ways, either by ice or by fire. Both the components are compared with self-destruction, human emotions, hatred and desire. The poem very artistically underpins the philosophy that we let our emotions rule us, and if do not control them, we will surely destroy everything around us. Similarly, he thinks fire and ice both are just as component in bringing the world to a catastrophic end. Now students, the difficult words of the poem. Finish. End, it means finish. Tasted, experienced. Desire, wish, hold with, agree with. Favor, to support. The rhyming scheme of this para is A, B, A, and now the figure of speech in this line is literary devices. I mean to say, some say due to these repetition of some say in the starting two lines. Anaphora is here. Due to the repetition of W sound, word, will, W sound, alliteration is here. And in the last line of this first para, F sound is going to repeat again and again. Alliteration is also here. Now, the explanation of the poem. The poet presents two popular views. Some say the word will end in fire, and some say in ice. The end of word, some people say that it will end with fire, and some say that it will end by ice. The poet considers desire as fire and says that unlimited desire will cause the end of the world. Now the next para. But if it had to perish it means end, die, twice, second time, two times, hate, feeling of extreme dislike, destruction, great loss, suffice, be sufficient. But if it had to perish twice, earlier the poet said that desire that symbolized fire would bring the end of the world. Now he says that hatred that symbolizes ice is also equally harmful to the world. Like desire, hatred can also cause the destruction of the world. Thank you students. Now read and do practice and learn the poem. Now the poem in Hindi. According to poet Robert Frost बताते हैं कि संसार के अंत के विषय में जैसे संसार का अंत होगा वो दो तरह से होगा. उन्होंने अपनी विचारधारा को व्यक्त किया है कि कुछ लोग तो कहते हैं कि संसार अगर अंत होगा तो वो अग्नि से होगा, और कुछ कहते हैं कि अगर संसार का अंत होगा तो वो किससे होगा, बर्फ से होगा, यानी कि आइस से होगा. कभी फिर कहते हैं रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट बताते हैं कि अगर इच्छा को अग्नि के समान मानते हुए कहते हैं, और बताते हैं कि असीमित इच्छाएं ही संसार के अंत का कारण बनेंगी. अनकंट्रोल्ड डिज़ायर ही संसार के अंत का कारण बनेंगी. लेकिन फिर दूसरी विचारधारा के साथ में आते हैं रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट और बताते हैं कि अगर ये दुनिया दूसरी बार कहीं समाप्त होती है तो वो किससे समाप्त होगी? किससे समाप्त होगी? वह नफ़रत से समाप्त होगी। और नफ़रत जो है क्या है वो कि घृणा या नफ़रत एक ही बात है। और यहाँ पर रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट बताते हैं कि वह भी संसार के लिए उतनी हानिकारक है, क्योंकि जो डिज़ायर है वह नफ़रत के ही समान है। मतलब इच्छा जो है वो नफ़रत के ही समान है, और इच्छा नफ़रत के समान है, और नफ़रत ही संसार को नष्ट कर देती है। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू अगेन, एंड रीड एंड लर्न द पोएम।